Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to disable WhatsApp notification previews on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So let me send one WhatsApp message to this WhatsApp on this iPhone from another WhatsApp. So I am sending, and you can see guys, I got this notification, and you can see I can see the message preview. I can see the preview text. Let me swipe down. You can see I can see the preview text of this WhatsApp message. So let's disable that. So let me swipe up. Let me go to the home screen. So in order to disable WhatsApp notification previews on iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your WhatsApp. So here is my WhatsApp. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened, and after that you have to tap on this settings at the bottom right. So let me tap on this, and I have this settings screen opened, and after that you have to tap on this notifications. So let me tap on this. Okay, and you can see guys, I have this notifications screen opened, and here I have this show preview, a preview message text inside new message notifications. So you have to disable this toggle next to this show preview. So just tap on this toggle and move the slider to the left. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now disabled. So it's now done guys. After that, we're going to go back. Let me go to the chats screen. Okay, and also you can close your WhatsApp. So let me close that. So let me send one another message to this WhatsApp on this iPhone from another WhatsApp account. I'm sending, and you can see guys, I got this WhatsApp notification, and you can see the preview of this message is hidden. Let me swipe down, and you can see I have this a WhatsApp message, and you can see the preview of this message is not showing. You can only see this message, this text, and not the message preview. So that's it. In this way you can easily disable WhatsApp notification previews on iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.